at sabay-sabay. Okay? Kaya naman pa sa lahat ng guests, Zach, everybody! Zach!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Alright, together with Mommy Milan now. Baby Zach, you're the candle in the church. Alright, this time, let's shout happy birthday, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Zach!
Kaya naman, thank you so much. Hindi naman matatapos ang birthday party po Zach na hindi natin marinig si Mommy Milan mag-birthday wish for Zach. Kaya naman, Mami,
Ay, may iyakan ba to?
ano po ang birthday wish mo for Baby Zach?
Ay,
Nakakaiyak na yung bakit. Ayan, na Zen, happy birthday. Lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, maging mabuting bata. Ayan. At, okay, kahit wala si Papa mo, hindi natin kasama ngayon pero masaya si Papa mo. Nandun, natutulog lang. Natutulog sa Saudi. Ayan. At, anak, lumaki kang may takot at maging mabuting bata at masunurin kay Mama at kay Papa. And happy birthday na at mahal na mahal ka namin ni Ate Gingging. Happy birthday ni Papa. Happy birthday na. At sige, Ate Gingging, ang message mo na.
naiyak.
Alright, thank you so much, Mami Milan. And this time, kung si Mami Milan may birthday wish for Zach, hindi naman magpapatalo si best friend Jollibee. Kaya naman best friend, ilan ba ang birthday wish mo for Zach? Sabi kayo na best friend, lahat tayo magbibilang, malakas po at sabay-sabay. Kaya naman best friend Jollibee, you have...
One,
Louder! Best friend Jollibee, you have...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Kaya lang po ang daliri ni best friend, okay? Apat lang po yan.
Ayaw nga, 4 lang.
Dahil si best friend Jollibee ay PWD. Kaya naman best friend Jollibee, you have 4 birthday wishes for Zach. Kaya naman ang first birthday wish mo for Zach, si Zach ay lumaking bata, pak, guwapo, macho, at may 6 packs tulad nino. Di Jollibee. Alright, so malakas ang palakpakan for best friend. At second birthday wish mo for Zach, si Zach ay lumaking bata, madasalin at may takot sa Diyos. Sa malakas ang palakpakan for best friend Jollibee. Third birthday wish mo for Zach, si Zach ay lumaking bata, matalino at maabot ang pangarap sa buhay. Ayan, isa malakas sa palakpakan for best friend. Ang last birthday wish mo for Zach, si Zach ay lumaking bata, always be happy like best friend Jollibee at nating lahat. Once again, isa malakas sa palakpakan for best friend Jollibee. And this time, gusto po ni Kuya Eds lahat ng kids pipila sa harapan for souvenir dance. Again, sa lahat mga kids, pag inabutan tayo nila mami, say thank you and happy birthday, Zach. Okay, lahat ng kids, pila sa harapan for
pila na.
souvenir love dance.
nasa likod
box.
namin.
At pwede nyo may kundi yung mga balloons on stick. Yung may mga sticks lamang po na balloons. Bigay at regalo din sa atin yan. Kasi kaya pwede natin kunin yan.
O, picture ko si Jollibee. Ano yan? Ay, wow, bread magnet.
Papaikot na isang